So the main like ethical implications that we're gonna find with using cloaks is gonna be just like hiding information, just like committing a crime, or just like yeah, committing a crime or doing something bad and just trying to hide it using a cloak. Um, so the Parexel Ray cloak, that's really not going to cause any issues because it's so impractical. It's just like you have to be in this 15-degree window. So unless you can make people stand in a certain spot and make them oblivious, you can basically lie to them. Um, and say, look, there's something like, look, your daughter isn't there, and their daughter's right there, or something. Just, something you'd see in a movie. And then the sheet cloak, you just hide someone behind it. Just commit a crime, hide someone. And then the digital cloak, just same thing. You just hide important information if you need to commit a crime, or like just like for like a like security camera, you just like hide behind that, and it will alter it. Um, yeah. So the only really issues that you're gonna find are just trying to hide illegal things or bad things that people want to do.